Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do the beautiful desert quest, which is part of the Children of the Woods quest chain. This is definitely one of the easier ones to do, so to begin with I'm really going to quickly show you here where I am on the map. I'm just west of the objective for the hand-in right now, and if I zoom in and just turn on all here, you'll actually see that I am next to the Abyss Nexus, which will allow me to fast travel. If you haven't got this, do make sure to pick it up when you come here. It's on an elevated cliff. I'll just quickly show you just here. Once again on the map, I'm just slightly southwest of the objective and directly east of Sanctum of Renunciation. So do grab this when you're here. And without further ado, this is definitely one of the easy ones to do. All you need to do is go ahead and mount up from here, ride along the cliff edge here. And then as you come over here, you're actually going to find that there is a giant pit in the ground, much sort of like a volcanic crater. And what you want to do is just come over to the second one just here. And then all we're going to do is jump off. Very simple one, this one. And as we come down, you'll actually see that the child is just here. And all we need to do is go ahead and talk to them, complete the chat dialogue, and there we have it. We've now completed the beautiful desert quest. So I really hope that that video helped. Please do give it a like and subscribe if it did. It is much appreciated. Do check out the channel for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.